probably best episode of the 5th season of BNN. We have so much in store for you.
Yeah, like how there's a volleyball game on the 13th at SMS.
Or how the first pep rally is on the 16th.
Or how it's also the first home game.
Or how there's also a volleyball game on the 18th at Sherman High.
But you can't forget that there's a volleyball game on the 20th.
Or how also on the 20th, there's the Arts Fest.
So go support your fellow Bearcats.
And now for Grasping for Great Grips with Ryan Neild.
Hello, I'm Ryan on Grasping for Great Grips. Today I'll show you how to hold a pencil tightly. You must not do it this way. To hold your pencil, you must pinch your pencil next to the graphite as close as possible, having your middle finger just below your pinch, and then having your pinky letting you glide on the desk perfectly, like this. See you next time on Grasping for Great Grips.
And now it's time for Stop and Chat with Bearcats with Ryan.
Hello everyone, welcome to Stop and Chat with Bearcats. Today I'm interviewing with Principal Chancellor.
Good morning, thank you for having me this morning.
What do you love most about our school community?
I'll say our school community is amazing, from our students obviously, to our teachers, our staff, our parents. They're just amazing. There's a huge sense of pride from the community, and just kind of that push to always getting better each and every year, not settling for what we did previously, and always wanting to get better.
How should students to the school be respectful or safe to others?
Well, respect and safety is a huge piece of our just our culture here at Pioneer, and some examples of that is just one kind of that golden rule of always treating others like you would want to be treated, and just being respectful for other people's space in the hallways, and being respectful to teachers, and always just looking out for their best interest moving forward, and then just making sure again that you're just always thinking about what your actions are doing and how that's affecting others around you.
How do you define your student success?
Well, I think here so many times in schools we can get wrapped around test scores, star scores, and data points, but really student success is all about getting better each and every day. Our students really striving, whether that's academically or athletically or with fine arts, and some of their performance-based, is just getting better each and every day, being a better version of yourself moving forward each day, and not getting wrapped around just a number on a test score or a data point, and just being a better version of yourself each day is success in my eyes.
What do you like to say to the people watching this right now?
Well, I would just encourage all the students to do just that, to just encourage them to get better each and every day, be a better version of yourself each day, and then also encourage students that this year we're really going to try to push each and every one of you to be involved in things, whether that's in athletics, fine arts. We're also going to encourage some of our club participation this year during advisory, and I just want each and every student to find their place here at Pioneer, and feel like this is home and something and a place that you can be involved in multiple activities and be successful. So just continue to also just encourage greatness with a purpose this year, and just keep moving forward and being great, Pioneer. Thank you guys.
Thank you for watching the first episode of Season 5 of BNN. But before we go, we want to make sure that you don't forget the big three.
Respectful.
Responsible and safe.
We will see you next time.
Bye.